hope you're fab. Happy Monday. Sorry if you're wiggling around there, just steady you. It's just you and I today. There's no one behind the camera, so if you have any questions, I will answer them afterwards. And today I'm going to be bringing you a Valentine's special. So I've got kind of a few presents and a few really cute date outfits that I've picked out to share with you. And even if you don't really buy into Valentine's, do you know what? I just think it's a really nice time just to celebrate another occasion for no reason at all other than to swap gifts and tell someone that you love them. So even if it's just a self gift as well, you can always tell yourself that you love yourself. I don't think there's any harm in that. So my first pick, and it's not even online yet, it's going online either today or tomorrow, is this gorgeous Rixo dress. I'm sure you've seen these all over Instagram, and I think they sell in like Anthropology, Selfridges, places like that. This is a size medium and it's £110. It will be going online later, as I say. I just think that's such a cute little date dress. You can dress it up with a pair of black cords, or you can definitely dress it down in the summer with just a pair of trainers. But yeah, one of my favorites that I've just picked out. And then another one that is just online this week is this really cute Stella Mccartney dress. I think you do need a pair of whopping heels, to be honest, to go with this, because it is so voluminous, unless you're sort of a little twig and you can get away with just kind of chunky trainers. But yeah, I would definitely pair this with probably gold, I think, so something really strappy and high, and then lots of gold jewellery, some fantastic chunky gold earrings. This is Stella McCartney. It's a size 10 and it's £240. I think it retailed for around 800. We'll probably pair it with something like this really cute Coccinelli crossbody bag. It doesn't need much, and do you know what? This is just such a cute bag for the evening, or I mean, you could definitely use it in the day, but I guess it is just more for the essentials. Let me see if there's any price in here. Oh, there's no price, but it's definitely online. It's really, really reasonable, and it's in absolutely mint condition. I'll bring that up for you to see. Comes with a little dust bag, and this sort of colour goes with absolutely everything. And yeah, I just think it's really cute for an event, or as I say, like into the evening. So next up, we've actually got a few cute tops. I'm gonna zip this Hermes up for you, because I know a lot of people don't really want to wear dresses anymore. They're more into their jeans and tops. So this is a seriously sexy one. I mean, come on, it's Valentine's. If you can't do it on Valentine's, when can you do it? And I've got another really kind of sexy number as well there, but let's focus on this Hermes. It's size extra small, and we've got it in at a price of, let's have a look, £196. I believe these retail for around £600 or £700, so it's a really great price, and it's quite sexy. You've got a zip down the front, so you can choose to be as demure or as revealing as you like, no judgments made at all. And it's definitely an extra small, but I would say sort of a 6'8", and it really will nip you in at the waist. And I think you could definitely pair this with a pencil skirt, but equally you could pair it with leather leggings or with leather coated jeans as well, and just a simple sandal, and you're good to go. Now, we've got also quite a few cute little bodies. This one is especially cute because it's got a heart on the back. I just think that's a really fun little thing for Valentine's. This, again, very cute for Valentine's. Got a heart on the front there. And this gorgeous body is in like a deep velvet. Now, these are all by Sophie Harmon. I'm sure you've heard of her. She's on Made in Chelsea. And this is £26. And this one with the mesh on the back is £52, and they're just really easy to wear with like mum jeans and a sandal, and just a really cute option for Valentine's, I think. And then if we have a little look at the velvet one, this is cute. It's got these gorgeous cuffs and it's just really luxurious. We do actually have really cute velvet skirts that go with this if you want to go for kind of more of a mini and a kind of more of a dress look, but equally you could pair it with jeans, for something slightly more dressed down, and we do have this in a variety of sizes as well, as are the others as well. This is £94. I don't know if we've got a retail on here. I want to say they retailed for around 600, so it's a really great saving on that. And yeah, we have these in various different sizes, so go check them out online. Next up, this sexy number. Come on, there's got to be some sexy ladies out there that fancy a bit of Asian provocateur. Now this is actually a ball gown, and these lace bits just about make it on to the appropriate areas. So if you've got a pretty saucy date that you might have lined up for Valentine's, you could definitely opt for something like this. It's very, very sexy. Asian provocateur. I want to find the label. It's actually online, so if you are interested, the price and everything is on there. I want to say it's around $260, something like that. I think it's about a size 10. Have we got a size on here? Sorry, I'm being completely unhelpful on this one, aren't I? Sorry about that. Yeah. But yeah, really gorgeous. And I thought also I might share with you a few little gifty bits, because not everyone's going out, but they do like to kind of exchange gifts. And we have quite a lot of things that actually are really, really great value. So for example, every girl loves a little pouch. It's really great for popping things into your bag. This is by Coach, and it's only £31. And it's just beautiful, bright pink. It's in reasonable condition. There are tiny areas of wear, but nothing too obvious. And yeah, just a really cute little gifty thing. Again, we've got a couple of other small gifty bits. One by DKNY. This one is just a little wallet. It's like that. I would say this is actually brand new condition. It's in really good condition. And this one is only £17. So it's a really cute little extra for your lovely lady in your life, or any men you want to tag in this video. And this Kate Spade, again, is in really, really great condition. Just a nice little wallet. Different people like different designers, so she might have a particular one that she likes. And this one is £28. Very, very cute. Now, there is always going to be a Chanel lover amongst you, and at the moment these are my favourite pair of Chanel earrings that we have in store. I absolutely love them, and if I hadn't bought too much this month already, I would definitely be buying them myself. But I just absolutely love them. They're Star and Moon, and can you see they're sort of dangling? I hope I'm not holding too far. And I just think, you know, statement earrings are super in at the moment, so you can definitely wear these evening or day. And they come with their box. They are, ooh, I want to say let me just double check the price for you. Yeah, they're £430, and they retailed for around £600 or £700. But to be honest, you're really lucky to find the exact ones you're looking for. So, yeah, I just think they're a really, really beautiful purchase if you do have any Chanel lovers in your life. And equally, if you've got any Hermes lovers in your life, then no one is short of a beautiful Hermes belt. And this is black and brown, so the perfect colour combination, and then it's got the silver H buckle. This one is in for £310, and it's on the website now. It's 90 centimetres, so it's a really, really popular size. I'll pop it on so you can see that's it at my waist, and then they're on my hips. So yeah, I think that's a really cute one as well. Both those items come with boxes as well, which is obviously really nice if you're buying a gift for someone. And also a lovely Louis wallet. These retail for around £600. I think this is in about half price. Yeah, £330. And it's in just really great condition. And you know what? It's a super practical one because you've got the zip around, and you can get notes and coins in there as well. So it just suits absolutely everyone. And yeah, absolutely love that as well. And what else have we got? Oh, back to the, I think I've got one more dress that I wanted to show you in case you are going out on a date night. But I absolutely love this one. This would be my pick if I was Am I going anywhere, lovely husband? I don't know if he's watching, he might be, he sometimes does. Hint, hint. But yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. It's David Coma, and it was around £900, and we've got it in for 380, and it's a size 6, but it's just a kind of once in a lifetime dress that I think. It does actually have a slit just there, and if you've got a nice petite waist, then I think that is just going to show it off beautifully. And let's have a look at the final couple of bits that I've picked out. Oh yes, this Gucci bracelet watch. I have to be totally honest with you, I was not a massive fan of this until I put it on, and then once I put it on, which I'm going to try and do now on live Instagram. Come on. Ooh, I've managed it. Have I? No, I haven't. Okay, I'll just hold it on there. I wasn't a massive fan until I put it on, and then once I put it on, I realised that it looks like an actual bracelet, and I really love how chunky it is. It's kind of more of a statement, and the fact that it is a watch as well is just a kind of bonus. But they retail, I want to say, for around £650, and we've got it selling for, it is online, I want to say around 300, but it's a really nice, it's just had a new battery put in as well. Oh great, this is so good for live Instagram, isn't it? But it's a really nice option for a gift, either for yourself or from a loved one as well. I really like that watch. And finally, a couple of bits for the boys, because believe it or not, girls, it is important to show them that we love them as well. It's not just a one-way gifting thing. So we've got a couple of beautiful ties. We've actually got a lot of Hermes ties and Coochie ties. You can go and check out the website if you want to see the full lot, but really, really nice. You've got a guy that works in the city and likes to wear a tie, then you could well find something cute online for him. And also some really cute little pocket squares by Hermes, and I think there's some by Gucci as well. So these are £55 and the ties are £88, so they're just under half price than you'd find in the stores themselves. And actually these are really cute because they can kind of double up as almost like a twilly, so you can put them around your handbags and around your handles of your bags as well, so it's super cute. My final one, because you're probably all falling asleep by now, but it is this really cute little Ralph Lauren wallet, kind of chain wallet for inside your bag. This is a mere £22 and it's just super cute. It's a nice little extra gift as well for someone for their special Valentines. So guys, whatever you're doing on Thursday, I hope you have a wonderful time, and I do hope we get to see you in here at some point this week, and we can help you pick out some cute little outfits. Other than that, guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram if you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube. We're at Timpanies, and we'll see you next time. Bye.